So RCH created awareness among the people about reproductive related aspects, and parents, other close relatives, teachers and friends also have a major role in the dissemination of the above information. So related to the reproductive aspects, who will discuss? So parents, so in not in all homes, but some of the parents are going to be disclosures related to reproductive aspects with their children. Other close relatives and teachers and friends also have a major role in the dissemination of the above information. Dissemination means spreading. Who will spread the reproductive related events? Who will discuss with you? That is parents and other close relatives, teachers and friends also have the major role in the dissemination of the above information. After this clear, right? And next one, introduction of sex education. So this is the major important aspect for creating awareness among the people. Introduction of sex education in where? Introduction of sex education in the education classes, like in 9th and 10th class, earlier classes we discussed regarding about reproductive topics, related topics. Introduction of sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and having misconception about sex related aspects. So here introduction of sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so as to discourage children from the believing in myths and having misconception about sex related aspects. So actually what happens here, the people are not disclosing reproductive related aspects. So the students, and whenever at the time of the puberty, how they will get the knowledge regarding about reproductive aspects, because the government of India only introduced the sex education in the schools to provide right information. So what is right and what is wrong, so what type of the reproductive organs are presented, so what is the function of reproductive organs, so provide right information to the young so as to discourage the children from believing in myths. Myths means there is false beliefs, blind beliefs. Some people will tell something, some people will tell something, and some of the wrong informations, and having misconceptions about sex related aspects. So introduction of sex education in schools should also be encouraged to provide right information to the young so as to discourage children from believing in myths and having a misconception about sex related aspects. After this clear, right? And next point, proper information about reproductive organs, adolescence and related changes, safe and hygienic sexual practices, sexually transmitted diseases, those are STDs, AIDS, etc., would help people, especially those in the adolescent age group, to lead a reproductive healthy life. So go through this point very carefully here. Proper information about reproductive organs, proper information, the right information about reproductive organs and adolescence. Adolescence is nothing but the child converted into adult. Means what? The transformation of a child to adult, that is puberty stage, and related changes at the time of puberty. Earlier we discussed in the hormone chapter, there is some of the changes that takes place in the body because of sex hormones released at the time of puberty. And safe and hygienic sexual practices. Safe and hygienic sexual practices is the most important. So hygienic, always healthy sexual practices is the most important. And next one, sexually transmitted diseases. So knowledge of sexually transmitted diseases also requires sexually transmitted diseases, STD. So one more abbreviation here. So sexually transmitted diseases, the diseases are spreading one person to another person, male to female, female to male, by sexual contacts. In case the people having, then only there is a chances for spreading from one to another one. Transmitted diseases, AIDS and etc., would help people, especially those in adolescent age group, to lead a reproductive healthy society, reproductively healthy life. So they know this all the information, they properly know this all the information. Definitely at the time of adolescence, at the time of puberty age, definitely they should maintain a reproductive healthy life. Proper information about reproductive organs. Second one, adolescence and related changes, puberty and related changes in their body, safe and hygienic sexual practices, and sexual transmitted diseases, STDs, right? So it need to be maintained. So they should know properly, and obviously they will get they should maintain a reproductive healthy life, right? And next one, educating people, especially fertile couples and those in marriageable age groups, about available birth control options. So here what happens, we discussed earlier, there is child marriages are happening in some of the areas. So that time they are not approached up to the marriageable age. They didn't get they didn't know the regarding related to the pregnancies and different types of birth control options. There is misconceptions that takes place. So here educating people, especially fertile couples and those in marriageable age groups. So what is the marriageable age group? So in our country, marriageable age group, so female 18 years old and for males 21 years old, about available birth control options also. So after marriage, the birth control options also is need to be know, because of what? Because of maintenance of reproductive health. Whenever they didn't know birth control options, they didn't they don't know a knowledge regarding about birth control options. Obviously there is some of the abortions and there is some of the misconceptions or takes place. So educating people, especially fertile couples and those in marriageable age group, about available birth control options. Is this clear? Right. Next one, care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, and equal opportunities for male and female child, etc., would addresses the importance of bringing up socially conscious healthy families of desired size. So here the point is care of pregnant mothers, postnatal care of mother and child, importance of breastfeeding, and equal opportunities for male and female child, etc., would addresses the importance of bringing up socially conscious healthy families of desired size. So first one, care of pregnant mothers. So at the time of gestation, what type of the food the pregnant woman, what type of the food should be taken, and what is the nutrition, and what type of the medicine should take, and how many times the doctor checkup is required. Everything should the people should know, the pregnant mothers should know properly. And care of pregnant mothers and postnatal care of the mother. So after at the time of the gestation and after the parturition also, postnatal care of mother and child also, importance of breastfeeding. So breastfeeding of mother milk is the most important, earlier topic we discussed, and equal opportunities for male and female child, that is the most important, because unfortunately some of the cases happened earlier. So in case female is the embryo is, the fetus is female, the abortions, the people should take abortions because of female child. So that is the wrong, and giving equal importance for male and female child, etc., would addresses the importance of bringing up socially conscious healthy families of desired size. So desired size means what? Desired size, how much children they require, how much children they want to produce, like, so then only there is a the population size is to be maintained, right? Okay, so up to this clear all of you. So once again I'm revising. So here the goals of RCH, these are all goals of RCH: general awareness with the help of audio, visual and print media, governmental and non-governmental agencies.